Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that your account is gonna disable from App Store and iTunes. So you have to fix that issue. Simply you have to just follow the steps to fix that issue. Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a VPN connected, just disconnect it. After disconnection, just go back and simply you just have to just go to the Safari and simply just go to the tap on forgot your Apple account password. Just tap on that and try to reset your account and again login. If your account not login and saying that your Apple ID is not active right now, so that's a problem. So you have to just fix that before you're going to disable your accounts. So that's the problem. So you have to scroll down and just find a sport option here. You simply just have to just get sport. Just tap on that and just wait for the second and is loading for the second and just scroll down and see there's an option called just tap on that and here you see that there is a number for the sport team. Just try to contact with that team and tell them your problem. So the main problem is that your account is now gonna disactive and inactive, so you have to active your account. And another problem is that you have to tell them that you are disabled your account in App Store and iTunes. So try to resolve that issue. So sport team try to resolve a problem in some days. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related